Jupiter's trademark red spot is shrinking. Imagine a storm so large that Earth would fit inside it. That Earth-sized storm is on Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system. Called the Great Red Spot, the storm has been raging in Jupiter's cloudy atmosphere for at least 100 years. Astronomers using the Hubble Space Telescope have discovered that the well-known storm has shrunk to 10,250 miles across, the smallest size ever measured. Observations during the late 1800s, however, showed that the storm was so enormous, 25,500 miles across, that 3 Earths could squeeze inside it. Astronomers have been following its downsizing since the 1930s. Starting in 2012, however, amateur astronomers noticed an increase in the spot's shrinkage rate. The red spot is getting smaller by 550 miles a year. Even its shape has changed from an oval to a circle. Astronomers do not know why the storm size is decreasing. One possibility is that some unknown activity deep inside the planet's atmosphere may be draining energy and weakening the storm, causing it to shrink. A swirling storm of rising air. The Great Red Spot shares some characteristics with hurricanes on Earth, including a circular motion and strong winds. Unlike a hurricane, the red spot rotates counterclockwise. The red spot also is a high-pressure system where air rises. Hurricanes, on the other hand, are low-pressure systems where air sinks. One reason the Jupiter storm may have lasted so long is that there is no solid surface to decrease the storm's energy and slow it down. Hurricanes, however, lose strength when they reach land. The swirling storm towers 6 miles above Jupiter's multicolor cloud tops. Inside the red spot, some winds reach speeds of up to 400 miles an hour. The exact cause of the storm's signature red color is a mystery. One theory is that the material being pulled upward from deep inside Jupiter's atmosphere turns red when sunlight strikes it. The spot, however, is not always bright red. Sometimes its color is much lighter, and rarely can even be very pale. The first record of the Great Red Spot was a drawing made in 1831 by German amateur astronomer Samuel Heinrich Schwab. The storm, however, may have been seen 200 years earlier, in 1665, by Italian astronomer Gian Domenico Cassini, who noted a monster storm he called the permanent spot. The red spot has been continually observed since 1878. NASA's 2 Voyager spacecraft also made the first detailed observations of the feature in 1979, and Voyager 1 even took a movie of its 6-day rotation. Alright, so now we have a sidebar. What is the Hubble Space Telescope? The Hubble Space Telescope is a space-based telescope that was launched in 1990 from the Space Shuttle Discovery. From its position above Earth's atmosphere, Hubble has expanded our understanding of the universe, and of star birth, star death, galaxy evolution, and black holes in particular. The telescope's science instruments are the astronomer's eyes to the universe. During servicing Mission 4 in May 2009, astronauts boosted Hubble's scientific power by installing 2 state-of-the-art science instruments: the Cosmic Origins Spectrograph, COS, and the Wide Field Camera 3, WFC3. To make room for the new instruments, the astronauts removed the Wide Field and the Planetary Camera 2, which was installed aboard Hubble in 1993. Other Hubble science instruments include the Space Telescope Imaging Spectrograph, Near-Infrared Camera, and Multi-Object Spectrometer, and Advanced Camera for surveys. When first launched, Hubble's primary mirror had a minor flaw that made it difficult for the telescope to resolve faint objects. Because the telescope is in low Earth orbit, it can be serviced by a space shuttle. Thus, the defect was corrected during the first on-orbit servicing mission. Alright, so now I'm going to go back to page 1 of the article, where there was also a sidebar with facts. Fast facts: Jupiter. The age is about the same age as the Sun, 4.5 billion years. Location is the solar system. Average distance from the Sun is 778,300,000 kilometers, which is the same as 483,600,000 miles. Diameter is 143,000 kilometers, or 88,850 miles. The mass is 1.900 times 1,027 kilograms. The orbital period around the Sun is 11.86 Earth years, or 4,330 Earth days. And the number of moons is 60, or more than 60.